Yes, I'm working on that presentation right now, actually. Oh, I think they're gonna love it. Absolutely. I will finish up the proof and I'll send it right over to you in a PDF. Yep, okay, bye. Okay. Save. Come on. Oh. Garbage! Yeah.
Though things like cybersecurity, slow running systems, network issues, and hard drive failures may not necessarily be your fault, they can lead to many devastating situations for you and your business. We understand how important your computer is to you. They hold essential business documents, financials, and also hold some of our most beloved memories. I'm Cory from Cory's Affordable Computers, and we believe in honesty, security, and trust. If you're experiencing an issue with your computer or network, schedule a free call with one of our computer experts to help diagnose your problem. We are Microsoft and PC certified, as well as Apple and Mac certified, so you don't have to travel all the way to Orlando or Jacksonville to get a diagnosis or a repair. We are also certified in C++ and can help your business establish or update your network to a fast and secure supported network. Know that whether you come to us, use our free pickup and delivery service, or if applicable, work remotely, your computer and network will be safe and secure with Cory's Affordable Computers. We look forward to helping you soon. Schedule a free call with one of our computer experts by clicking on the link or visiting our website and get your peace of mind back.